Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So, welcome to our United Insights Ever Wondered series. Okay. So, can you see what is this? Ball. Pens. Yes. Okay. This one? Crayons. Okay. So, you can see this. This is a dress. Right? This is a dress. And you have a toys here. You have a toys here. Okay. So, where do we get these all things? Yes, where do we get from? We will get from shop, right? We will get from shop. Okay. If you want a pencil, we'll go to a bookstore. If you want a dress, we'll go to a clothes shop. If you want any toys, you will go for any gift centers, right? But here in this series, we are going to learn about fun shopping at the mart. Fun shopping at the mart. So today we are going to learn all about the mart. Okay. Then what is mart? What is a mart? Do you know what is a mart? Do you know what is a mart? So let me explain you what is a mart. A mart is a big store. A mart is a big store where you can buy many things like toys, clothes, stationery, food products, everything we can buy there. Okay, or cleaning materials, we can buy at this mart. If you're going to shop, there will be a particular shops like bookstore. You will get only books, pencils, sharpeners, this stationery related materials you will get in the bookstore. But when you come to the mart, you will get toys, clothes, stationery, cleaning materials, food products, everything you will get at the one place. Everything you will get at one place, and that is called as mart. Okay. Then what can you buy at a mart? What can you buy at a mart? Can you see what are these? What are these? Toys. What are these? Dress. What are these? These are related to cleaning materials or food products. Okay. If you want to buy a chips or chocolates also, it will be available at the mart. So we can buy many things like toys, clothes, food products, stationery, and more. Many things we can buy at the mart. How do we shop at the mart? Okay, so we will get everything, every materials, what we need for our daily routine, we will get at the mart. Then, how do we shop at the mart? So, we hope is in the mart alli, hinge togundu and game betu Is that the way you will shop at the mart? Whatever you want, you will take like this and you will go to home. Hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ shopping ಯಾರಾದ್ರು? ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? No, right? We go to mart with our family or friends. Pick things we need and pay for them at the counter. So with whom you will go to the mart? With your family members or with your friends? You have to go to the mart with your family members or with your friends. Okay? You will go to the mart. Whatever you want, you can pick it. You can pick it. For example, I want this pen box. I'll pick it and there will be a counter. There will be a counter. There will be a counter. Where I am going to pay the money. Where I am going to pay the money. Yes. For example, if the cost of this box is 50 rupees, I am going to give 50 rupees and then I am going to purchase this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. This is how you are going to shop at the mart. What do we need to buy things? So what do we need if I want to buy anything? As I said you, I want this box. I want this pen box. I want this pen box. Okay? So ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? Shall I pick it and shall I go to my home? I have to pay, right? I have to pay, right? I want to buy this pen box. What I do? I have to pay the money. I have to pay the money. Yes. So what do we need to buy things? We need money to buy things. What do we need to buy things? We need money. What do you need? Money. What do you need? Money. Yes. So, rules for shopping. So there will be rules for shopping. Of course, if you are going to come to school every day, there will be some rules and regulations, right? You have to sit in your particular class. You should follow the line. You should follow the periods according to the subjects, right? ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. If English ma'am comes, you have to open your English book. There will be some rules and regulations. As morning you enter the school, you have to go for prayer, right? In the same way, there will be some rules. What are those? Hold your family or friends' hand. What have to do? You have to hold the hands. Next, don't touch the things without permission. Without permission, you should not touch the things. You should ask the permission before you are going to touch the things. Okay? Next, pay for things at the counter. The thing you are going to buy, you have to pay the amount for that object. You have to pay the amount for that object. Without paying, you should not come out. Without paying, you should not come out. Okay? So, now you know about shopping. Now you know about mart. Now you know about mart. So, would you like to visit mart? Would you like to visit mart? Yes, you are seeing here is Vishal Mega Mart. So now we are going to visit this Vishal Mega Mart where you will get all those things you can shop there. Okay, as I said, you have to follow the rules. You should not touch the things without permission. You should hold the hands of your teachers or of your friends. Okay, without paying the money of your purchased object, you should not come out of the mart. You should follow this rule. So while we enter the mart, there will be many things. There will be many things. So where does the things come from? Where does the things come from? We don't know, right? ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So we will go inside the Mega Mart and we will ask the staff of Mega Mart how they procure the things. How they procure the things to this mart. Are you ready? Are you ready?
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಡೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಇದು ಯಾವ ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಯಾವ ಮಾರ್ಟ್? ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಮೆಗಾ ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? RMC ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಮೆಗಾ ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ? ಶಿರಾದಲ್ಲಿ RMC ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಮೆಗಾ ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರ? ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಓಕೆ.
Yes, so finally we have visited Vishal Mega Mart. So now we got an idea about how to shop in the mart and what all the materials you'll get in the mart, right? Yes, ma'am. Right? Yes, ma'am. So now you don't have any doubts like how to purchase in the mart or how to do shopping in the mart. Was it useful? Yes, ma'am. Was it useful? Yes, ma'am. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, now we have visited the Vishal Mega Mart and now let us go to the quiz. Let us go to the quiz. Yes, ma'am. So your first question Okay. Your next question is, what do we need to buy things at the mart? What do we need to buy things at the mart? Option A, money.